Hello students, welcome to my channel. So this is the fifth problem of gamma function. This is also a proof that kind of sum where they have asked to you to prove that integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x squared dx is equal to root pi by 2, and hence you have to find the value of minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus x squared. So friends, this is a very important problem for your graduation. So please concentrate. Okay, so see, as I have discussed in the previous lectures, that you need to substitute the power present in the power the variables or things present on the power of e except the minus sign. Okay, so I have let x square is equals to t, then you get dt with differentiating this one with respect to t, with respect to x, sorry, you get dt equals to 2x dx. So you subject the dx part, you get dt upon 2x, and dx is equals to dt upon 2 root t. Root t how? Because x square is t, so x will be root t, so dt upon root t. Fine, this much is clear, I guess. Okay, now you substitute the dx here. Okay, so it will become, okay, you just check the limits become unchanged, the limits remain unchanged. Okay, so the lower limit is 0, means the limit of x is 0. So what will be the limit of t? You put here 0, so 0 square will be the limit of t, that is 0 only. When the limit is infinity, put here infinity, so infinity square is infinity, which is the limit of t. Okay, so the limit remain unchanged. Okay, so it's 0 to infinity e to the power minus t, the value of x square. Okay, and dx will be substituted by this whole thing, that is dt upon 2 root t. Okay, so as 2 is a constant, I can take 2 outside the integral part, which is 1 by 2, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t. Okay, so root t, when you will, means t to the power half will be written as t to the power minus half when written with respect to the numerator dt. Okay, so now you obtain the form of gamma function as such that the value of n minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So here n minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So what will be the value of n? N will be half. So the result of this integration is 1 by 2 into gamma half. And you know by the property of gamma function that the value for gamma half is root pi. So the final answer is root pi by 2. Now let's solve the second part. The second part, you have to find the value of this one. So I just write this thing, minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus x squared dx. This was the second part, this is the first part, this is the second part. Okay, so this is a very simple thing, but yet you have to recall some properties of integration from class 12. Okay, so in class 12 you have learned a formula, like a property of integral. This one I just write here for you, minus, okay, this you have learned this in class 12 in the properties of integration. That is, whenever f is an even function, you will have integration minus a to a, f of x dx is 2 into multiplied by integration 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, then you must have f of minus x is equals to f of x. Okay, you have learned this in your previous class, that is in HS level. Okay, higher secondary level. So I can also write this thing as minus a to a, means here I can see 2 multiplied with 0 to infinity, e to the power minus x upon x square dx. So see, you already know the value of this, right? You already know the value of this from the previous sum. Okay, you already know the value of this, that is root pi by 2. So you just put it over here. So you remain 2, you let 2, okay, you keep 2 outside and multiply with the value of this, that is root pi by 2, which gives you root pi. So this is the final answer. I hope this video helps, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so if you like the way I teach, you can support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.